Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can install the phpMyAdmin in Linux. So the first step is that you have to do the package update. There is a sudo apt update. The second step is sudo apt install phpMyAdmin along with its various dependencies. So when you execute that particular command, you will getting a screen like this. So you have to select the web server. If I scroll down, these are the various windows that will be asking you for the confirmation. So after this particular screen it will be asking you to further configuration. So make sure you have to click on the yes button. I've forgot to add that particular screenshot over here. Now the third confirmation that will ask you that the MySQL application password for phpMyAdmin, that is, it is trying to configure the phpMyAdmin, so you can enter the whatever password you want to give. After that, you have to enable the mb string module. Okay, and once it is done, you can restart your Apache server. So there are various commands how you can restart the Apache server. I'm not going into that. So once you are done, you have to go to this particular url, that is a localhost 8080, whatever your port number is or whatever your url is, localhost, and you have to slash phpMyAdmin. So once you do that, you'll be able to see your phpMyAdmin. But in case you get any error, like the error that I've got, that is a requested URL was not found on the server, and I was getting error like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to this particular Apache configuration file. Okay, so at the end of the file, what you have to do, you have to add this particular line over here, that is the include etc phpMyAdmin apache.conf. This line you have to add, and once that is done, you can again restart your Apache server. Once that is done, you can able to see your phpMyAdmin. Okay, so this is the uh, UI of the phpMyAdmin. Okay, so over here you can give the username and password. So in that case, so this is the username of my root and the password. So what you can do, you can further you can use the user root to log into the phpMyAdmin. So how you can do that, you can go to this MySQL that is in your command, and you have to select the user authentication, whatever user is there. So if you go to that particular result, you will see that is a root user. This is the root user. It is the authentication type is auth socket. In that case, it will not allow you to log into your MySQL sorry, into your phpMyAdmin. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to execute this particular command, that is to alter the root user along with the MySQL native password, and whatever password you can give. So here I've given the username as root and password as md1234. So once that is done, you can able to log into this phpMyAdmin. Now if I click on this go, so it will be taking me to this particular dashboard. This is the phpMyAdmin dashboard, and these are the table, that is the Magento 243. This is my database, and once you click on this, it will be able to see all your tables over here. Okay, so in other case, if you don't want to create you don't want to use the root user, so what you can do, you can create a new user. So I think there are various ways of how you can create a new MySQL user. So you can use this particular command as well. I will share these things on the link. So these are the create user, like user 1234. Then you have to give the alter user MySQL native password and whatever password you can give, and then you have to grant all the privileges for that particular user. Okay, so once that is done, you'll be able to log into the phpMyAdmin along with the new user that you have given. Okay, so these are the various steps how you can install the phpMyAdmin. Because see, you can use the database using the command line as well, but if you have a UI, it will be very easier for you to visualize things over here, and you can see the data as well. As you can, if you want to modify it or you want to delete any row, it is very much easier to do that if you have the UI. So that's all in today's video. So if you like it, don't forget to give the thumbs up, and if you have any queries, you can post it in the comment section. I'll definitely try to revert back. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video.